A brother says, is it permissible to wear clothes with branded logos that have animal images? And what if the clothes have a cross on them? First of all, images of imitating the creation of Allah, images of a man with a face, eyes, nose, images of an animal, images of a cartoon character, Mickey Mouse, Superman, whatever. All of these are prohibited. And these prevent angels from entering your house. We're clear. What about images that do not have a face? Like a silhouette, for example. Like some logos of Puma. That does not have a face, does not have an eyes, just a drawing. Like the emojis, or the smileys, not the emojis, the smileys. They don't have a life in them. There's nothing. Scholars say that these are permissible. So you have Pumas, there's no problem. You have Lacoste, well, I have a problem. I just got a couple or 3 t-shirts, gifts for Eid from my siblings. But they had a Lacoste, which you can see the eyes, you can see the mouth and the nose of the crocodile or of the alligator. So this is not permissible. Then what to do? Simply put